Hello, my name is Angela B. Visitacion. I'm excited to apply laboratory assistant position. I have 5 years of experience in industrial with a strong background in quality management system and assisting with a basic laboratory test and procedure. In my previous role at Mount Holyoke Industrial Inc., I was responsible for laboratory safety and ISO implementation. This experience have equipped me with the skills and knowledge necessary to be effective as laboratory assistant. I was able to help Mount Holyoke Industrial Inc. achieve zero return of our products deliveries in 3 years. I understand the importance of respect for seniority and proper etiquette, including formal greetings and the use of honorifics. I'm a quick learner, adaptable, and committed to be a good team player in achieving the goals and mission of your organization. Thank you for your time and consideration. I've attached my resume for your review, and I welcome the opportunity to discuss my qualification further in an interview.